this is Dr. Hafiz and welcome to another episode of Data Analysis series with Stata. Today we are going to talk about how to take help in Stata when we are lost or confused. It's going to provide the basic of how do you set up, how do you get help from the Stata. So to become a Stata proficient, you must learn the commands and we can take help from the Stata in different ways. For example, we can start number one is help command, and then number two we have a search command, and then we have a find it command, and lastly we have a UCLA Stata website, the web source. So these are the ways to use taking help command. Let's start with the help command. I know what is a summary, but I forget the option, the detail, and in short, forget the basics. For this, we can use the help command. It also helps us to understand the basic synthetic of the command. For example, I am interested to know what is summarize, but I forgot the available option in Stata. So I can start with the help and then write summarize. And now you can see I have another dialog box. It's shown, and the first at the top is the title, is about summarize, is about summary command, and then we have a synthetic, how to write the command. First you need to write summarize command, then variables, and then other options. And for the option, there are available options like you can have a detail, meaning only, format, separator. So these are the available options which you can use with the summarize commands. And then if you can scroll down, then you can also see how to perform the summarize statistics or summarize command within the main menu, from go to statistics, then summarize, and table, and then test, and then summary statistics, and then lastly you can get the result. And after that you can also see the other details, and I really like the especially the information. There are number of given the video examples and data, and then other examples which have performed. So it will help us the understanding the available options, and also the synthetic, the basics, and the meaning of the commands. So that's the first way. The secondly, we can also do this search command, because if you know that what you are doing, but you are interested to know more about that, then what you can write, just write search and then write summarize. But and now Stata will dig out all related keywords to summarize. Like now we can see in this in this dialog box that we can have all available option with the summarize command, because Stata search out the summary as a keyword and then find out all available results. So this is another way to get help from the Stata. Then a number of examples are there. And then lastly, we are also interested another command which is most importantly, what is command, but you forget the interface, like you forget the options. That is the DB command. The DB command is basically used if you forget the synthetic, but you know that what is command. If I write the DB and then I write the summarize, and now you can see here I can pick the variables which I want to, and then I can submit an OK, and it will help me. It will help me to provide the dialog box. I can perform by click and OK, and then you can see it's running summarize. So for DB command, you must know the command name. So you can write the DB and command, then it will appear on the typing box or click box, and then you can perform your required command. And lastly, we have a find it command. The find it command is basically if you are interested to know anything regarding Instata by connecting your internet, you can write find it, and you can write summarize, and then you can see after a few minutes it will take, and then you can see all available command related things. And find it command and the search command almost same. They just the both of these commands help us to give the keywords and search in the Stata files and providing the required data. So these are the four commands which we can use to get help. So we can recap. Is the first one is the help commands. And you can take the help and you can search out. The second one command is the search command. Then you can take search regarding the keywords. Then you can have also the DB command. If you know the command but you forget the text, the detail. And lastly, you want to read is similar to the search command, that is the find it command. And these commands will help us to understand if we are not able to know, or if able we are not able to perform the options, the right options, the basics. So today we just try to discuss how to get help from the Stata. Thank you so much.